I've got my Slay Glam bag for the month of April. So if you want to check out this new palette with me, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging around with me. He may catch himself into the frame, I don't know. And Chloe's at home, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So the Slay Glam Box, Slay Glam bag, whatever, it usually does come in that kind of pink box that looks like a bag. I know that she put something out there about just with delays in shipping, she wanted to get everything out, and it's quicker to get things out in a bag like this than in the box. So, and I'm fine either way. Actually, if it's more cost affordable for it to come in a bag, I'm okay with that as long as stuff doesn't get broken. I'm good. I don't need the box. It's just going to be recycled anyway. This does have a special collaboration palette. So it is a collaboration with Anne over at Just Anne. It's an Aries birthday palette. So really excited. I've seen some spoilers for it. It looks gorgeous. There's Bandit standing on my Temu bag. So what did we get? I'm going to start with the smaller things and go over the palette last. There is an Oakland 3D Glow highlighter. This looks really pretty. I have so many highlighters open right now. I'm probably going to set that aside. Oakland is a really affordable brand, but they do have very nice products. Next, by Manicadar, we have the Step 3 Diamond Dust. Okay, I'm not really sure what it is, but we're going to open it up and find out. I don't know what steps 1 and 2 might be. Looks like this is in the shade Pixie. Rolls on. I think it's maybe a roll-on highlighter, but I will try to look that up and see. It definitely doesn't feel like a lip product, and I don't know that you would roll that on your eyes, but I mean, I could definitely see rolling it on your cheeks. I'm not really seeing much from that. It's pretty. It's pretty on my hand, but it's very, very light. So that leads me to believe it's a highlighter, or maybe you're supposed to put it over an eye look. I'm not really sure, but I will look that up. By Lorella, we have, this is their liquid lip. I know that from getting the Lorella subscription. This is in the color Blanche. Oh, but that's a purple. I'm not sure about that. I'm going to have to put some swatches up because I'm not really sure. What do you guys think? Is that a match? The last 2 items are by Rasha B Cosmetics, and so that is a line owned by the person who owns this subscription box. Very, very nice though. I really like the things that she puts together. She does a lot of dual chromes. This is a set of gel eyeliners, and I think there's 2 in here. 3. There's 3 in here. I don't know if these were varied colors or if everyone got the same. So there's no color on there. The bottoms are all black, so I don't know if they're 3. No, they're not black. This one is a purple. And this one looks like a reddish. And then that looks like maybe a different shade of purple. I'm going to put this over the other one, or like a dark pink. So that's that one right there. Very pretty colors, fun to play with. Absolutely. And then the palette. So this is the ExtraordinAries. So with the Aries being at the last. And again, this is with Anne from her channel. And I believe that this palette has sold out. I don't know if they'll be restocking it. There is the palette. So beautiful. I always like it when she does her own palettes because they're just, I mean, she does other palettes, they're nice. She's done Lorella palettes, she's done Moira, but I just feel like her palettes are kind of special. She really puts so much care and love into them. And not that the other companies don't, but knowing that this is a small business owner who's also making the makeup that you're getting, or designing it, I guess, because I think it's made probably in China, made in PRC. So let's take a little look at some of these colors. Now, I will tell you that the duochromes are very soft. So like this bluish one here already has some fallout, and I haven't even put my finger in it. So you do want to be just a little more gentle. You don't want to like just smear your finger in like you might with the mattes or with a different one. Duochromes in general can be more soft, but these are particularly soft. So you just want to be a little bit more gentle. And I'm going to start with this row here. All right, so there we go. So these are Ram, Passionate, Confident, and Brave. These are the next four. We have Fierce, Risk Taker, Constellation, and Intense. Whoa, look at that. That is definitely coming out there. And then the last, we have Loyal, Fire, Impatient, and Impulsive. And do we have Room? That last one I'm going to have to put up top a little bit. So very lovely. These two are the duochromes. This one looks like it has a little bit of a shift, but I don't know that it's meant to be a duochrome. These definitely, you can definitely see that. Like I don't even have to move around too much, and you can definitely see the different shades in there. So look at that red. That is, ooh, fire right there. Ooh. I know you're seeing this in May. She did say it was going to be coming late. We did get it late. It just came in today. I'm filming this on March 3rd. I'm filming this on May 3rd. So you guys are going to get it probably, hopefully next week. And I don't know, so I had a 3-month subscription. They're no longer using PayPal, and I haven't gone on and signed on. I think this might be the last of my 3-month before I have to make a decision. I really like this subscription, but I don't know that I necessarily need to get it every month. I might just pick it up on occasion when I see some spoilers for something that, like if it's one of her palettes, I might go on and pick it up for a month. It's a great price. It's $25. That includes shipping, and there's lots of really nice things. I've discovered lots of really neat brands and lots of great things in there, but I just, have to cut back. And so this is one where I think I might just pick up every now and again when her palettes are being featured, because I really enjoy the palettes, and I like everything she's picked. So if you're looking for a makeup forward subscription, this is a really great one to consider. Again, it's $25. They haven't raised the prices. You're going to get some great things. You're going to get some of the products that she designed. You're going to get some other products, some, all different brands. So Lots of indie brands in here, which I really like that as well. So some great things. So this might be something to consider if you were looking for a makeup forward subscription. You get a palette in every single box or bag or whatever, which if you're a palette lover, that's great. Or if you're trying to build a collection, that's a great thing. I am at palette overload right now, so I don't need a palette in every single box. It's nice. I do like them. I like to play with them. Don't get me wrong, I love playing with them, but it's not something that I have to have at this point. And you gotta save money. Kid's gonna go to college soon, so I gotta be ready for that. So let me know your thoughts about this palette. I love these swatches. I think this is so fantastic. I'm definitely gonna have to do a makeup look. I have so many palettes I like to do makeup looks with, so we'll see when I do get around to that. But fun, love it, so excited for it. Okay, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you are new, I do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, maybe come back. All right, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.